Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. New to our channel? Please subscribe to be a part of us. Let's start. This short and quick video is for those who are having problems with Firefox and want to refresh Firefox without uninstalling and losing their browsing bookmarks and other data. Open your Firefox browser and head on to Help menu. Click on Troubleshooting Information. You must be seeing the refresh button as shown. Click it. Firefox will ask for confirmation for refreshing Firefox. Click it. It may take couple of seconds to complete refresh. It's done. You must have got a success message as shown. Firefox has now refreshed itself. You may start using it without any problems and errors. That's all for this quick tech tutorial. Thanks for watching. Good day.